flashback.
What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? We are at this racetrack, and I'm about to drag race the Datsun and this glorious X5M. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll go over this one later, but for now, you guys are gonna watch me lose in style.
All right, here we go.
So, okay, yeah, you can zoom in, zoom out, anything.
Oh no.
End of flashback.
Bad.
Yeah, I think it's spinning.
Oh no! I think I just broke my diff. Oh shoot! I don't know what's wrong.
I don't know. Maybe it's a drive shaft. I gotta see it.
Yeah, crap. It might be the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Dang it. Okay, yeah, see it? I'm gonna go, I think I broke my drive shaft.
Yeah.
The connector
Back there.
I'm not gonna go anywhere. You can stop doing that. I have AAA, so. Crap.
Yeah, I can
I
hang out
did
with
not
you.
think this was gonna happen.
Yeah, it's all good.
So, yeah, we're actually by the side of the track fixing the car now. We found out that it was actually this drive shaft that disconnected. This, not the drive shaft, yeah, but the shaft from the diff. Oh my gosh. If you're having any difficulty, I can always just hop under there. Oh, that's a bit tricky to get to, but terrible. It is so cold.
Yeah, speaking of numbness.
Yeah, it is. It is so cold. Literally, you could not have pictured this in a better. It's just, oh my gosh. Wow. Like you guys they're gonna say I made it up. But Nate is under there my hands started bleeding. And so when I was like doing God knows what, but.
There's blood on the nuts over here.
Blood on the nuts? No.
Alright, let me rephrase that. There's blood on the knuckle.
Oh, the taco place? Sweet. It's good?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if this is good. Please, God. And it's an open diff, so that was why it wasn't moving at all. Turn on the battery disconnect switch. Oh, that was why. The fuel pump wasn't on.
There's a switch for that too.
Yeah. That scared me a little bit. Yes! She lives. Thank you, God. Woo! God, that terrified me a little bit.
Yeah, we got it all done.
Thank you so much, Nate. Thank
Absolutely.
you. Thank you. Look at literally there's blood all over I was bleeding. According to Nate, they have blood all over the nuts.
Yeah,
so.
sorry we made you bleed your own blood. Alright,
Yeah.
off we go.
Yeah, next time we're gonna actually do a test against the X5M versus this. So I'm gonna win. Yeah.